when we see a few raindrops, we won't be worrying so much about the allergies, will we? Because the pollens will be really taken out of the air, and that's a good thing for allergies. Here's a study in contrast for you. Some blue skies downtown San Francisco, Transamerica Pyramid, beautiful view. Here's the view from Sutro Tower. Can you call it a view if you really can't see anything? It's just all about the gray. The gray is just taken up the entire lens, so we have some stratus streaming through the Golden Gate. Temperatures at this hour, mainly in the 50s, a few spots still in the 40s, 48 degrees in Bodega Bay at this hour, and in the 60s, low 60s, in some spots in the East Bay, 62 in Pittsburgh, for example. So we're going to be much cooler today than it was yesterday. Santa Rosa right now in the 40s, also 48 degrees. Here's a big area of low pressure. It's a trough. It's heading right toward Northern California. You see that counterclockwise spin there in the radar. That indicates where the area of low pressure is. Here's the trough. That's the low, and you can see precipitation across much of Northern California, and even a few snowflakes in the Sierra. So some late season spring snow, which is fabulous. The trough goes away quickly enough. We stay a little unsettled into Tuesday, and then things really flatten out. Not a big ridge, not a big warm up, but we do see more of a zonal flow, which means temperatures will be fairly close to normal. So how much rain do we get out of this anyway? Not a lot. Oh, if you're up in Eureka, sure, about 3/4 of an inch, maybe 1,400ths in Santa Rosa, about 1/10 of an inch in Oakland, maybe a few hundredths of an inch in the South Bay, so it's not a big deal. Temperatures today, a lot cooler than yesterday. Numbers in the city, upper 50s to low 60s. Right along the water's edge, we can't even get to the 60s. It's in the mid-50s for this afternoon. Numbers in the low 60s across much of the Bay shoreline until you get further south. 68 degrees in Mountain View, so we're going to see some warmer temperatures, but a lot cooler than yesterday. Yesterday, San Jose was 83, today 69 degrees. So you can see what a difference. 68 for Livermore, Hayward 65. Yesterday, Concord was 90 degrees. 69 degrees today. So what a drop in temperatures. 70 Fairfield. Sonoma yesterday was 86, 65 today, and 65 in Novato. So it'll be a lovely Mother's Day, just not exactly sizzling hot. And you can see that numbers stay on the cool side, especially into Monday, with a chance of rain, even a slight chance of thunderstorms. Then we go for a slight cooling, slight warming trend, that is. Things will start to warm up just a little bit closer to normal, but it will not be a big heat wave. So we're stuck with some cold weather for a couple more days. Stephanie?
Kathy, thank you. At the state